Good afternoon, Shabir brother.
Good afternoon, bro.
Hi, Mr. Shabir. What's your name?
My name is Guddu Sukla.
Guddu Sukla.
Yes,
Oh my God, what's name?
yes. My name
What
is
name
Guddu
is
Sukla.
that?
Uh, do you know Guddu Sukla
No,
in
I don't know Guddu Sukla, and so
Mirzapur?
I know who is Guddu. I don't know who is Guddu Sukla, and I don't want to know about that. Okay,
Mm,
because that person is, I think, very bad.
uh,
That name
did
is
you
that
did you
name
watch?
that name is very this name is very bad. So I think
No,
I am guessing that boy and that person was very bad person. That's why
no.
I don't want to
Uh,
know about that. So I want to first ask you question: who is more valuable, time versus money? Yes, tell me, Sabir.
Time.
Time is more
Yes,
valuable. Yes. How?
yes.
Have you any
Time,
genuine point?
time better than
Yes.
money
Yes.
because uh, I think I have lots of money, but
Yes.
without time, no purchase in anywhere, and
Okay. Okay. Without time, you can't purchase any cloth,
any any
anything.
anything.
But do you know, if you need buy a cloth, and if you don't have money, so how you can buy? If you have time, how you can buy cloth with time? If
Yes,
you need,
I'm
if you have money, if you will have money, so you can buy clothes, you can buy
and
car, you
one
can buy,
example I
you
have.
can live luxurious life.
Yes, I have I have one example.
Yes.
Like you will go to you will go visit a doctor,
Yes.
but doctor don't doesn't have time.
Yes.
So you you will have you will have lots of money,
Yes.
but you will not you will don't visit doctor.
How you can say, brother? Do you know, if you have ill, and if you have fallen sick, and in any person have fallen sick and ill in your family, and you you will go to doctor with him, and doctor will told you doctor will told you, arrange 5 lakh rupees first, then I will treat your patient. But if you have not money, so how you can treat, do you know? Doctor
Yes,
will tell you,
yes,
if you will
because
first.
nowadays
Yes.
government provide इसको 5 लाख
Government provide 5 lakh rupees.
and इसका बोलते हैं
Aisman.
आयुष्मान कार्ड.
Oh, brother, Aisman Khan,
Yes,
have you taken an medicine with Aisman card?
yes,
Where? Where have you taken?
anywhere like uh, इसमें मतलब government hospital in also, but private hospital in take
Yes, you want to say, in if you go in a government hospital, so you can get benefit Aisman card, and you can get 5 lakh rupees. So how government will give you 5 lakh rupees after you will fill form? After that, your form will pass, and after that, if you are a genuine person, so government will provide 5 lakh rupees, and you will go to this this process will be take time. And do you know, your patient situation will what happen that time? because in for patient every second is very important, you know. And after that your patient have got die, so what will you do?
No.
5 lakh rupees.
Earlier nurse will take your patient.
How nurse have not your patient's life, okay. Your patient's life have a god. Nurse have not your patient life. Your patient life has god, and god will decide what will have to do. Your patient life will have save or not, do you know?
Uh,
So
I have one question.
yes, you have one question. Yes, ask me. I want to answer your question.
I think you there is a accident in here.
Yes.
There is one accident in here.
Yeah.
After that, he has no time. So,
Yeah.
पैसा रहते he has lots of money.
Yeah.
That person, but he has no time.
He has no time.
He will do.
Do you know if he has lots of money but he has no time, so what will he do? He will if he want to go fastly any hospital and anywhere for treatment, so he can go by flight within a 30 seconds.
but-
Do you know? And
but-
listen complete, let me
Yeah.
complete first. And if you have lots of time but if you don't have money, so how you can go hospital?
But
Tell me answer
yes.
first. How you can go hospital if you have not if you had no money? If you have lots of time, so have you can you go your by foot? Is it possible?
First, I will.
Let me give me answer first.
Yes, I give you.
Yes.
I give your answer.
Yes.
I will call 100.
Yeah.
After that, I put on patient in van.
Do you believe in if you will call 100 number and 100 number will come and have you provide
Yes.
good facility?
Yes.
No, this
Yes,
is
I
wrong.
saw. I saw.
Where you saw?
In my city.
In your city, if you
Yes.
have genuine points, so you can tell this type of facility not available there. Okay, only for 100 number, and if you will call and police will come 30 minutes after 30 minutes. So after 30 minute your life will spend, and you will have to die.
And I.
You can die.
Yes. And,
What will you do?
I will call 108.
100. Why?
Ambulance.
Yes, but ambulance when ambulance will come, your life will die.
No.
No.
I have time.
You have time,
Yes. He
brother.
has,
You don't forget. You have got accident. That's why you need ambulance. Okay. You don't have time now.
But this man, तो उस आदमी के पास this man, yeah, he is time. I will call 108. After that I will come. After that I will go in hospital.
After that you will go hospital.
Yes.
Because you had accident, that's why you need call ambulance. So why you are forgetting? You don't have time now. As fast as you can go for treatment, because you need to treatment. That's why. And if you have money, you can go very easily. If you have money and your situation had very bad, so you can go by flight within 1 hour Mumbai, Delhi, and most of popular doctor. Yes, you can treat. But if you will call ambulance, and ambulance will carry you on government hospital. And do you know government hospital treatment condition? How badly?
Yes,
How
no.
badly? How badly
No.
government hospital
like
treatment
in,
condition?
there are one hospital in that name is
What name? Rims?
Baryatu hospital.
So will you go to Baryatu in MP to Baryatu?
No.
How will take time? How will time take? Do you know? 3 days. If you will go, listen first. If you will go to by train, you will take three days. But if you will have money, so you can go within 1 hour.
But
Money is more valuable than time. Do you know?
But there are in hospital.
Yes.
And there are any hospital in Khandwa.
Yeah.
I will.
Where? Do you know any hospital name? Where is hospital? Do you know? I think you don't know. So how you can go? Yes. How you can go? You don't know hospital name. And what about what is more important? I think time is money is more important.
No.
No, so can you give me genuine point that after that I will agree with you. Without point, how I can agree with you?
Yes. You have 10 minutes for dying. So
I have 10 minutes.
Yes. So what do you do? What will you do?
If I have time only 10 minutes, and if
Yes.
if I will have money, so I can live my luxurious life. Do you know? But if I will not have money, so how you can do? Only I will agree within a 10 minutes I will die. No, I don't want to do anything.
Example like
Yeah, tell me. And first you tell. You said me time is more valuable. So now you are here. You are here.
yes.
Why?
Because I'm
Why you are
learning-
here? Tell me behind the reason.
Because I'm learning English.
Why do you want to learn English? Tell me behind.
Because I want to fluent speaker.
You want to fluent English. Why you
Yes.
want to fluent English speaker? Only
Because-
become fluent English speaker. Your life will run
No,
smoothly.
I will I will not be going to home because I will go to
after
visit-
learning English. After becoming fluent English speaker, what will you do?
after that I will visit
Where visit?
abroad.
For what? You will visit abroad?
Because there तो वहाँ
Yeah.
there are lots of visit in abroad. That's why I'm
Brother, where will money come? Do you know you need food, and where will come food?
तो first
तुम क्या खाते हो? ईटा पत्थर खाते हो क्या?
हम ज्ञान खाते ज्ञान knowledge. I will eat knowledge.
You be first serious. Do you know what you eat every day? Food. And where will food come? If you will do anywhere job, then you will
No.
earn money. After that, food will come.
How dare you speak?
How dare you speak? You need
Yes.
food.
But
Every person needs food.
every person
Yeah.
yes I need every person need food, but every person
Every person don't need to do job.
yes, because in forest area
Yeah.
they are not
Forest area, what they are not?
They are not need money.
They are not need money.
Yes,
You want to say they are
because,
not need money. So
because there are lots
tell me first, a farmer everyday farmer do job in their field. Why? खुशी से करता है क्या?
yes.
यार कोई समझाओ इसको समझाओ कोई. ब्रदर यू कांट डिफीट मी. आप लाख कोशिश कर लो, यू कांट डिफीट मी. डू यू नो? इतना झूठ मत बोलो. यू आर इन कैमरा. डू यू नो माय व्यूअर विल जज यू. यू आर टेलिंग अ लाई. Why?
No,
First you tell farmer why do work every day in field. Farmer why grow vegetable? Why grow rice? Because farmer need money. Okay, farmer have lots of time, but farmer need money. If farmer will not grow vegetables, so how what will eat them?
If every person has
Yes.
like rice and
So where will rice
dal.
come? Where will rice come? Tell me first. Where will rice come?
in khet.
In khet.
Yes.
So in khet,
I will
in field you will plant something.
yes.
So where will plant come?
I
बिना
will,
पैसा के पैदा करोगे, तुम खुद जन्माओगे क्या?
I will borrow. I will borrow
From where? From where?
in anywhere. Like I borrow you.
Where? Bro means
लेना.
उधार लोगे.
Yes.
But I will not give you. I will not give you borrow.
If you know if you
Brother,
do
do you
not,
know? Do you know if I will give you borrow? So where will I? मतलब मैं कहाँ से लाया हूँ? Because
I don't know.
you don't know. So
Yeah.
why you are telling this type of? Why you are thinking this type of thing? Why you don't agree with me? Money is more important because you can't tell me genuine point. Do you know?
Yeah,
And first I asked you why do you learn English? You said I want to become fluent in English speaker, but only becoming fluent in English speaker, where will you come your food for your eating for fulfill your desire if you will not do any job? And every person want to do job for earning money. And why you are learning this? Because you want to if I will you think if I will learn English and I will become English speaker, so I can do job anywhere very easily, and I can earn money lots of and I will fulfill my desire. And I am also learning English only for that if I will become a fluent English speaker, then I will do job anywhere very easily, and I can earn lots of money, and I can live luxurious life.
Yeah.
You know,
If
every
you-
person want to live luxurious life. Why you don't want to live luxurious life?
If you don't have time, so how do you कैसे?
Time have everywhere. Time have every person have time. Do you know? But every person don't have money.
But every person has money.
Where? I don't have money. You don't have money.
I have money.
How much money you have?
I have money. You have money.
I don't have money. I know very well my condition, and you know very well your condition. How you have money? How much you have money? 1,000, 2,000. Only 1,000. Your life will go very smoothly. You want to say?
I saw you have lots of money.
I don't have lots of money. I want to earn money for doing my for living my luxurious life. Do you know? If you have money, so you can go within a 1 hour Mumbai, within 1 hour Delhi, within 1 hour out of country, and you can enjoy there. But if you will not
But,
have money, how you can do?
But if you don't have time,
Yes.
yes, So after that you
First of all, you listen first. Every person has 24 hours time. Do you know? Every person has 24 hours time, but every person not have money. If you will, and do you know? If you have time, I know I have time.
Every person has money. Every person has money.
How you can say every person has money? If you have you money? Have you money?
Yes, I have money.
Show me where you have money, and I can show you have time.
Yeah,
What?
Take this.
This is money. This
Yeah.
is money.
This is 12,000.
Brother, you don't have much knowledge. First you need to get knowledge, then you can come with debate, because this is not money, this is mobile. Everyone know that this is mobile. My viewer, take show this product, and you can judge this is money or mobile. Yes, if you
This is property.
when property, I am not
Yes.
talking about property, I am talking about money and time.
I have
if
property.
if you earlier had time, that's why you can bought this property, okay? And if you had not money, so how you can how could buy? So I think my video is going very fast and very long, so that's why okay, bye bye, thank you.